Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Dear students of class 12th, subject Environment Science, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today we are going to start our new unit, that is Environmental Management and Legislation. Let us discuss first what is environmental management, what are the objectives of environmental management, and what are the advantages of environmental management. Environmental management means माहौलियाती इंतज़ामिया, and legislation. Legislation means कानून साजी. Environmental management and legislation means माहौलियाती इंतज़ामिया और कानून साजी. Let us discuss first environmental management. Environment management is defined as a system that incorporates processes for summarizing, monitoring, reporting, developing, and executing the environmental policies. जो environmental management है, it is defined as a system that incorporates processes for summarizing, खुलासा करना, monitoring, निगरानी, reporting, इतला, developing, तरक्की, and executing, अमल करना इन पे on environmental policies पे. The aim of encouraging an environment management system is to ensure the healthy state of our planet for future generation. इसका aim क्या है? Encouraging an environment management system is to ensure a healthy state of our planet for future generation के लिए, for future generation के लिए. It also works towards preserving all forms of life. The ecological balance of our planet has been disturbed. जो हमारा planet है, इसका ये जो ecological balance है, has been disturbed through technological revolution, heavy industrialization, growth in transportation, unplanned urbanization, and exploitation of resources. यानी इकोलॉजिकल बैलेंस जो इस प्लेनेट की है वो डिस्टर्ब हो चुकी है. कैसे डिस्टर्ब हो चुकी है? टेक्नोलॉजिकल रिवोल्यूशन से, हैवी इंडस्ट्रियलाइजेशन से, सनतकारी से, ग्रोथ इन ट्रांसपोर्टेशन से, अनप्लानड अर्बनाइजेशन एंड एक्सप्लॉयटेशन ऑफ रिसोर्सेज. जो हमारे पास हैं वसाइल हैं, हमारे पास रिसोर्स हैं, उनकी एक्सप्लॉयटेशन हो चुकी है, इस्तेसाल हुआ है उनका. Ecosystem stability is in danger as the relationship between human being and the environment has deteriorated. Environment management is concerned with, ये जो environment management है, it is concerned with marine, land and atmospheric conditions and works towards issues like deforestation and global warming. ये जो environment management है, it is concerned with marine, samandari, land, ज़मीनी and atmospheric, that means फिज़ाई conditions, and works towards issues like deforestation and global warming. Environment management is described as a process to minimize waste and maximize compliance. It is created to address the environmental issues that have a direct or indirect impact on the globe and is affecting it adversely. It deals in finding appropriate solutions to environmental crises and preventing ecological disasters. Environment management also investigates potential source of renewable energy so that fossil fuels does not become depleted. हम environment management की बात कर रहे हैं. Environment management is defined as a system that incorporates process for summarizing, monitoring, reporting, developing, and executing the environmental issues. Now, what are the objectives of environmental management? Objectives means मकासद. What are the objectives of environmental management? माहौलियाती इंतज़ामिया के मकासद क्या हैं? The objectives of environmental management are, number first, identifying environmental issues. ये जो issues हैं, मसाइल हैं, environmental मसाइल जो हैं, माहौलियाती मसाइल जो हैं, हमें क्या करना है? हमें पहले उनको आइडेंटिफाई करना है. आइडेंटिफाई करने के बाद finding solutions for environmental issues. उनके लिए हमें क्या करना है? Finding solutions. After that, establishing limits to avoid overuse, help to renew natural resources. Help to renew, मदद करनी है to renew natural resources जो हमारे पास एक कुदरती वसाइल हैं. Minimize the use of natural resources, developing monitoring system and research institutions, regeneration of degraded environment, review the environmental goals of an organization, control environmental pollution, ये जो माहौलियाती गंदगी है हमें उस पर भी कंट्रोल करना है. It is the objective of the environmental management control environmental pollution, review existing technology and try to make them eco-friendly, encourage resources conservation program, implement ways for environmental protection, minimize the impact of natural disasters, identify, develop, and implement policies related to sustainable development. Now, importance of environment management. Importance of environmental management. Environment management has an important role to play in the protection of our environment. ये जो environmental management है, plays an important role in the protection of our environment. The importance of having an effective environment management in place is as follows, that is reducing carbon emission, processing all the waste in a safe and effective manner, the effective and wise use of energy and resources, preventing pollution. अब एडवांटेज की बात कर रहे हैं, व्हाट आर द एडवांटेज ऑफ एनवायरमेंटल मैनेजमेंट. इसके एडवांटेजेस क्या हैं? इफेक्टिव यूज ऑफ रिसोर्सेज, इम्प्रूव सस्टेनेबिलिटी एंड पोल्यूशन कंट्रोल. हम एनवायरमेंट मैनेजमेंट की बात कर रहे हैं. नाउ व्हाट इज लेजिस्लेशन? एनवायरमेंट मैनेजमेंट हमने डिस्कस किया. नाउ व्हाट इज लेजिस्लेशन? कानून साजी. लेजिस्लेशन इज डिफाइंड एज laws and rules made by government. Legislation is defined as laws and rules made by government. Legislation is a law or a set of laws. The action of making laws and preparing and enacting of laws by local, state, or national legislators. Legislation can have many purposes: to regulate, to authorize, to outlaw, to provide funds, to sanction, to grant, to declare, or to restrict. Yeah, legislation. What is legislation? Legislation is defined as laws and rules made by government. बाकी इंशाल्लाह आइंदा. अल्लाह हाफिज.